Have you ever dreamed of waking up in the middle of the ocean, hearing the gentle waves against ship, and opening your cabin door to the most beautiful sunrise you've ever seen? That's the image cruise lines want you to believe. Perfect luxury, total relaxation. But what if I told you, behind the dream vacation, there are secrets cruise companies don't want you to know? Today, we're diving deep below the deck to uncover 10 shocking truths about cruise ship cabins, the things the brochures will never tell you. So, before you book your next cruise, listen carefully, because these facts might change the way you see your floating paradise forever. Main bottle. Let's start with something most passengers never realize. Your cabin isn't as private as you think. Sure, the doors close, the curtains pull shut, and it feels like your own little ocean home. But did you know that many cruise ships are fitted with high-definition security cameras along the hallways and even overlooking balcony areas? They say it's for safety, and partly that's true, but it also means your private balcony moment, where you're sipping coffee or enjoying the sunset, might not be entirely private. The ship's surveillance team can monitor these areas at any time. Now let's talk about the walls. Those smooth, clean walls might look solid, but they're actually paper thin. Sound travels easily through them. If your neighbors are laughing, watching TV, or playing music late at night, you'll hear every bit of it. Cruise ships aren't built like hotels on land. Space is limited, and walls are lightweight to keep the ship balanced. So if you're a light sleeper, bring earplugs, or you'll get to know your neighbors a little better than you planned. And what about that beautiful ocean view cabin? Here's a secret few people talk about. Some cabins that claim to have an ocean view don't actually have a real window at all. Instead, you'll find a digital screen showing a live video feed of the sea outside. Cruise lines call it a virtual balcony. It looks realistic, but it's just a high-tech illusion. You could be sitting deep inside the ship with no real window and still see the waves rolling by on a TV screen. It's clever marketing, but definitely not the same as the real thing. Here's something even more surprising. The air inside your cabin, it's not private either. Most ships use a shared ventilation system, which means air circulates between multiple cabins. If someone in the next room smokes, sprays perfume, or even catches a cold, some of that air can end up in your room too. Cruise lines avoid talking about this because it raises hygiene questions. But it's true, you're literally breathing shared air in the middle of the sea.
And then there are the so-called upgrade deals. You know those tempting offers you get before your trip? Upgrade to a balcony cabin for just $200 more. Sounds great, right? Well, not always. Some of those upgraded rooms are placed in terrible spots right above the nightclub, next to the engine, or beneath the pool deck where cleaning and chairs scraping go on all night long. So, before you accept any upgrade, check the deck map carefully. Sometimes, the cheaper room is actually the quieter and more comfortable one. Speaking of noise, have you ever wondered what's below your cabin floor? Many passengers don't realize that beneath those shiny guest decks, there are entire hidden layers where the crew lives and works. They sleep, eat, and move around right under your feet. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it does mean you might hear strange thuds, footsteps, or humming machinery during the night. The crew is constantly cleaning, repairing, and maintaining the ship. Cruise lines prefer not to mention this part of the operation, to keep that illusion of peace and perfection alive. Now, let's talk about something you probably trust a little too much: your cabin safe. Every room has one, and most people store passports, jewelry, and cash in it. But here's the catch. Cruise staff have a master code that can open any safe on board. It's meant for emergencies, like if a guest forgets their password or if security needs access, but it also means your safe isn't completely secure. If you're carrying something truly valuable, the safest option is to ask the ship's main security office to store it for you. Then comes the cleanliness question. Cruise lines love to show off their spotless cabins and shining bathrooms. But the truth is, cabin stewards are under huge time pressure. Each attendant might be responsible for cleaning 20 to 30 rooms a day. That means they often have just minutes per cabin. Sometimes the glasses aren't properly sanitized, or the bedspread isn't changed between every guest, especially on short cruises. Everything looks clean, but that doesn't always mean it's been deep cleaned. Here's another mystery most passengers never solve: the strange noises that seem to come from nowhere. That's because cruise ships have hidden crew-only rooms tucked behind walls and locked doors. These secret areas are used for storage, maintenance, or quick staff breaks. If your cabin happens to be next to one of them, you might hear mysterious knocks or machinery sounds in the middle of the night. When guests complain, the crew often just smiles and says, "We'll check it," but they'll never tell you what's actually behind that wall.
And finally, something every first-time cruiser finds out the hard way: the power situation. Cruise cabins usually have very few outlets sometimes just one or two for the whole room. Since ships have strict fire safety rules, you can't use most extension cords or power strips. Security might even confiscate them during boarding. So, if you have multiple devices, a phone, camera, laptop, or hair tools, you'll quickly run out of charging options. The smart move is to bring a multi-USB charger that doesn't need extra power strips. Closing thoughts: no. Before you start canceling your cruise plans, take a breath. Cruise vacations can still be incredible experiences. The food, the shows, the sea views, they're all real. And they're all worth it. But understanding these hidden truths helps you travel smarter. When you know that walls are thin, you bring earplugs. When you know upgrades can be tricky, you research your cabin's location. And when you understand that the perfect cruise isn't always perfect, you can actually relax and enjoy it for what it really is: an adventure on the ocean, with a few quirks along the way. Because in the end, it's not about having the most expensive cabin. It's about knowing the little secrets the cruise lines don't want you to know, so you can make your own experience better. So next time you board a cruise ship, look around with new eyes. Behind every polished hallway and luxury suite, there's a story. And now, know the truth. If you found these secrets surprising, hit that like button, share this video with your travel buddy, and tell me in the comments which fact shocked you the most. Because there's a lot more the cruise industry doesn't want you to know, and we're just getting started. Hi.